I am Bill Lindeman, and I am taking you through the Christmas tree decorating process that we execute at Burton & Burton. In this video, I'm going to discuss tree skirts. Once you have your tree display area cleaned and prepped, it is time to start the exciting process of tree decorating. I like to start from the bottom with a unique tree skirt. The base of your tree is always something to take into consideration. Tree skirts, and now tree collars, have the most consumer appeal. If you decide on a tree collar, such as these beautiful willow collars, start by putting the stand inside the collar and then placing the tree into the now hidden tree stand, since once the tree is decorated, it would be a challenge to put it in the collar. Alternatives to the collars would be a skirting of fabric or mesh. Now fluff the tree. It makes a big difference in the end result. I hope these beautiful options for tree skirts have inspired you for the holiday season. To continue watching our Christmas decorating series, visit our YouTube channel and subscribe at Burton + Burton.